Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show my Java project, Smart Number System Visualizer. This project converts number between binary, octal, decimal, hexadecimal and also show step-by-step explanation of the conversion. This is a GUI based project built using Java Swing. User can select source number system, target number system, enter a number. Then the system converts it and this project is divided into 5 classes. Client.java handles GUI and user interactions. Binary.java handles binary conversion. Octal.java handle octal conversion. Decimal.java handle decimal conversion. Hexadecimal.java handles hexadecimal conversion. Here you can see the GUI. We have drop downs to select source and target base. We have an input fields to enter the number. We also have 3 buttons: convert for conversion, clear to reset fields, show step to see step by step explanation. When user clicks convert button, the program checks which base is selected and assign value internally. For example, binary 1, octal 2, decimal 3, hexadecimal 4. The based on selected base, the program creates object on respective class. For example, if binary is selected, binary class object is created. Inside each class, conversion is done using division method. For example, in binary, number is divided by 8 for octal, divided by 16 for hexadecimal. Reminders are collected from result. The project also validates input using regex. For example, binary also allows 0 and 1. One unique feature of this project is step-by-step explanation. When I click show steps, it shows how the conversion is done. If user enters invalid input, the program throws an exception and show an error message. Let's try an example. Input 1010, source binary, target decimal. Click convert, output is 10. Now click show steps. You can see detailed calculation. This project helped me understand Java Swing GUI, OOPS concepts, exception handling, real world project structure.